Hello everyone, this is Cypherdeck, and we are back in Scrap Mechanics, and they've added a whole lot of new stuff, so that's what we're going to be doing, is checking that stuff out, how it works, and we have AC Gamer with us as well.
Hey guys, and yeah, it's been a while since we've been in Scrap Mechanics actually, but this is a game that both me and Cypher have very much enjoyed. If you guys recall, the countless games that we did with our block yard and all the roller coaster things that we kind of messed with, and now that they've added some new features into it, we kind of want to come back and refresh our minds on like how to do things yet again, but also kind of touch on some of the newer things that we haven't really ever got to experience with. So we're going to be reading the book, right? Is what you said?
Yeah, it looks like if you go to the very first page and tab over to the fourth page on the first tab, page 4 actually shows all the items in the game now. Which we know about the connection tool, the lift, the sledgehammer, and the paint tool. But now we have the welding tool, which will weld your creation together. Select the weld tool and left click on a loose creation. Then left click on a surface of another creation and weld together. You can also join touching parts on the lift. So, yeah, if you have something on the lift and you want to make two bearings work together to lift an item, you can do that now with the welding tool.
But what does it mean by that? I mean, as far as welding, like what exactly do you think it does? Let me,
Well,
how
you
did I
know,
raise those up? I don't remember what buttons I was using.
you use the actual arrow buttons, I believe.
No, I was using the different ones. It wasn't enter, use. Oh, it was these? Yeah, there we go. So that's one of them. Where's the other one? There we go. Okay, so yeah, I was using these two buttons. Sorry, guys. Okay, so let me lower that back down. Let's create something real quick. Let's create a car or something.
Yeah,
Let's do something kind of short.
I'll move mine over here.
Well, I mean, you can help me build this one real quick.
Okay.
I mean, it doesn't have to be a single project.
So, what they mean by welding two things together is is that the length that you want?
Yeah, it's just something simple, something that can have a seat on it.
Okay. So I'm gonna put two bearings on here, and then we'll put a bar that will go out, and we'll connect the two together, but they'll hang down. So you actually have to use the welding tool to make them connect.
What was the button? Do you remember to rotate an object? The default?
R,
R?
R, or E,
R or E?
or maybe it's Q. It's been a while.
Yeah, Q did it. There we go. So let's go ahead and put that in there. Now we got a seat. We need to put a battery on there, so I'll take care of this stuff in the back.
Okay.
Put a battery on there. It should be good. And what are you putting in the front?
Well, I'm gonna put wheels that are stuck together, so that maybe a suspension where the suspension attaches to these, and attaches to the front here, and these will flow freely.
Okay.
So, something, just I don't know. I'm just trying different ideas. We can,
What do you want the back to look like?
however you want. You could put big wheels back there, put small wheels in the front.
No, I just meant like to attach it. You just want the wheels going straight down, or
Yeah,
you just want them attached right here on the back.
yeah, we could do that. You need to press I to go and see everything that you have available. And I need to go ahead and switch out on my tools.
I'm gonna go with bigger wheels, I think. Bigger wheels. What do we got? Wheel and the big wheel. There we go. How'd you take off an object? Do you remember?
Right click it.
Right click it. Oh yeah, there we go. Jeez, man, I've forgotten so much about this game in just a short amount of time.
Yep.
It's absolutely nuts, guys. You take a little break and you don't remember anything anymore.
Alright, so we have tools. get some suspension.
Now let's go ahead and attach those, and we'll get them all turning in the right direction. Catch the power. All right, so
I'll put
yeah, that's the way we want to go. Yep, so that should work. That's kind of unique little. So that's gonna go down.
well, you'll see in just a moment. I'm gonna actually have a
Control panel.
well, no, actually, those are gonna be free flowing bearings.
Oh, so you
And
don't want them connected?
no, yeah, we'll have that. And from here, we're gonna go up. Was it E? Yeah.
Yeah.
Up.
You want me to raise it up or lower it down?
No, I want to go up this way. Put a block on there. Come up this. Oh. Okay. There we go.
It's gonna be like a bike.
Welded that tool. Welded that together. That
Oh,
was
did
pretty
you?
cool. Yeah.
Where's the welding tool? Oh, there it is. Welding tool. Let me put that on. Wait, let me do this next piece when you do it. I wanna see how it shows on mine. So when you put it down, go ahead and put it down like you normally do,
Yep.
and tell me which pieces to weld.
Goes that way, and then we're gonna go from. Can you lower this down? There we go. But oh, trying to
Oh,
find-
I see what you're doing, because if you had made those two pieces separate, they wouldn't be welded together.
right.
Okay, so now they're going to work in conjunction whether they want to or not. That's some of the problems we were running into when we were actually doing some of our builds.
I can't.
You can't get that on there?
No, it's just moving me around all over the place.
What was it? Change direction? There we go. Okay, so I get it.
Okay, there we go. Oh my goodness.
All right, so I
Yeah.
got that on there. Now all I do is draw it over.
Yeah, once you'll click the welder on one piece, and then you'll click it over onto the other piece.
Like drag and drop, or?
So like this part right here, this bar by itself,
Right.
this one here, you want to drag it over and weld it to.
Oh, it is. Okay, so when you highlight it now, you'll see which ones are welded together. So that one piece
Yep.
actually highlights as a solid piece now.
Yep.
That's cool. I like that. That is
Alright.
that's kind of unique.
Now, let's see here. Go ahead and raise it up,
All right.
and we'll go ahead and put.
I got the tires for it. Just show me where you want them. You want tires right there, or you want more shocks?
No, I'm gonna put I'll put a enough room for it to turn. So we'll come out 1, 2, and then oh sorry,
No, that's all right. You seeing what you're doing?
there's the wheels there.
Just trying to see your vision here.
And
It's gonna be a weird looking car, man.
yeah, I just trying things out. And then we need to connect the steering section, just those two underneath.
Yep. There's one. All right, make sure it's
Oh,
going the
wait,
right way.
Yeah. And, oh, make sure that you connect these to there.
All right, see if it's going the right way on that one. That would be to the right. Yep.
And whoa, that's something we definitely need to make sure of.
The direction.
That the engine is connected to.
The seat. Oh, it was a minute ago. Or to the power.
Oh, is it not?
Yeah, it's connected. It's connected. It is now.
Okay. Yeah.
All right, now these right here in the center, the ones that you put. What are you gonna have those connected to?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Nope.
All
Now,
right.
if you go ahead and take the thing off, They're higher than I had. Oh, we forgot one other thing.
What's
Go
that?
ahead and put it back on the lift.
What'd you forget?
We forgot to weld these springs. Oh, we can't weld them.
You can't weld springs and what? The wood?
No, yeah, the spring to the wood.
Because it's already welded to the one underneath it. You'd have to weld that piece of wood to the wood above it. Can you do that, or would that mess it up?
Here, let's do this. Let's go ahead and take that off.
Would you take off?
Just the one right above the spring itself.
Okay.
Then we'll put the wood on the spring first. Oh wow, having movement issues here. There we go. Oh, up, up. There we go. And then we should be able to see the difference. Yeah, it's two separate things now.
Are you welding that in?
Welding. Oh my goodness, if I can. I keep jumping. Okay, that one's done. If you want to do the other one.
Wait. How'd you do it? What'd you weld?
Okay, see the block right above the spring?
Right.
That is separate from the block next to it.
Right.
That whole block. Weld those two together.
To the one right next to it.
Yep.
But that's exactly how it was before.
Nope. It should be completely different.
All right. So that's welded together. But that's exactly what it. Yeah, that's exactly what it was before. That whole thing was one giant piece. I thought you were trying to connect this piece down here that was the spring to the top part.
No. Well, go ahead and take it off the lift now. And see how it's not how the suspension should be working. Go ahead and get in it and start driving it.
What were the keys? Is it moving? Oh, it's not moving.
Forward.
Only the back wheel's moving. See the back right wheel.
Oh. What? Oh, I know why.
Why? What do we have messed up?
No power on the motor.
Oh, okay. But why is it only the back right wheel?
Okay, 1 second. Stop. Oh, yep. There's that. There's that. That one's right. That's correct. And, okay, you should be able to move now.
Alright, let's see how this works.
Yeah, go over some rocks or something, and the suspension should work.
Your steering is reversed.
Okay, I can fix that.
Yeah, when I turn left, I go right. When I go right, I turn left.
Okay, just stop real quick.
We should put another seat in here real quick. That way you can jump on.
It's glitching for me.
Oh, okay.
Okay, there's that.
Nope, it's still going reverse. There we
There's
go. Right and left. Okay, that looks good.
Okay.
All right.
now-
So, what is this spring supposed to do in the front?
It should use the top bar to allow it to. The top bar shouldn't move. The bottom bar should move,
The top part
allowing
should
you
move.
to have independent suspension.
The top part should move, and the bottom part should move.
No.
What?
Top bar. The top bar that's attached should not move. Where the bottom bar that is attached to the spring should allow it to have independent suspension.
No, it's pretty rigid, even on the bottom. Like, I mean, completely rigid, not pretty rigid.
Is the spring not working?
No. It's
All right,
it's
come
not
back.
moving at all. Alright, trying to. Where are you at?
I'm still up here on this hill.
Let's get over here real quick, guys. I'm gonna hit the... Dang it. Oh, you're over there, okay. Well, I was heading the right direction anyways.
Is it really sliding?
No, it's just I'm trying to get used to driving again. Not too far. Yeah, you can see it right there. Like, right there is where it should move, and it's completely rigid. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah. Alright. Go ahead and put it back on the lift. Yeah, see, this whole bottom section should move freely.
It should, but this thing's not. This bar's not doing it.
Um, Go ahead and try it again.
What'd you change to it?
I made it so that those things should turn whenever you turn.
We can always put more in there.
No, it's not.
Okay. Well, I tried. The point was that each spring would be able to push off on its own, um, but it would still be controlled. But I guess not.
Right. Yeah, I'm just trying to think of like why it's not working. The only thing I can think of is maybe the springs are too taut.
I mean,
like maybe
if
we're
we-
using too heavy duty ones, or
If I take the springs out,
yeah, you just kind of broke it.
yeah. Oh, what? One second.
Oh, it's because you took the chair out too.
No, I didn't. Unless the lag just made me take the chair out.
All right, let me put the chair back.
All right. So see, whenever you put this back on the ground, once you put the chair back in, you should see the wheels here. Let's see.
Yeah, I didn't get rid of the engine by mistake.
See, that's what. That's how it should have worked.
That's how it should work. But once you put on the suspension, like put the suspension back on, and I'll take it back off the wheel. Once you put the suspension on, it doesn't do that anymore.
Yeah.
Like I can take it off now. Oh, see, now it's working.
I don't know why it wasn't working before. So we need to put more suspension on it then. One second. Yeah.
So do the other one.
One second. Actually, move it up.
Yeah, that's not quite right.
Let's put two of them on there.
Okay, so that is working. No, I think just one is.
Oh, I know what the problem is. It's not welded.
What's not welded?
That has to be welded somehow because this isn't attached to this bottom piece. It may look like it is, but it's not.
You talking
That's
about the bar isn't welded to the bottom piece of this wood?
Yeah.
And when you connect the two together, then it stops doing that?
And watch, I'll flip this upside down.
There you go. Like that's working now.
No, see how the spring is going all the way through the wood?
Yeah.
That means it's not connected. Go ahead and put it back on the lift again, and let me reverse it so that you can see what I mean.
Oh, do you have it upside down maybe?
I didn't mean to do that.
Do you have the spring upside down?
No, if I put the spring upside down though. And I took that whole tire off, which...
Yeah, do it on the other side.
One second. I should be able to put a bearing on this. Lift this up real quick. The lift should be able to weld. I mean, if this is how they're saying it works. Oh, no, put it back up, please.
Oh, you're welding right now?
Boom.
Oh, you can weld the piece that was already on the ground?
Yeah,
That is cool.
that is very cool. That way you don't have to keep going back and...
Oh my god, you remember when we were trying to make those tracks and you would knock off one piece and the whole thing would come crashing down?
Yeah.
Now that doesn't happen. Oh, well, it's still doing it though.
Okay, so what we need to do then is go ahead and put it back on. We have to remove one of these again on both sides.
Or go do one side first.
Okay.
That way we can see the difference of it working and not working.
All right, go ahead and put that back up there. Put a block there. Oops, I think I put a block. I'm gonna do two of these suspensions on this side, and is this as far down as they'll go?
Oh no, it goes down a little further.
Yeah, let's go all the way down, and go ahead, put a block there, a block there, weld up that to that, weld this to this, and it shouldn't not matter. I mean, this still is separate, and it's stern.
Yeah, but does it work?
No, and watch this. If we go ahead and take,
What if you jump on it? Like jump up there on top of it?
I'll miss it because I'm lagging so much.
Oh.
But watch this. Go ahead and put it back on the lift, and we'll prove our point. Yeah, bring it all the way down. Oh, nope. Let me put the wood back in. Oh,
Bunch of trial and error, guys. We do apologize, but it's a brand new piece that we've never used before, so it's something that we're gonna try to figure out how it works, and you know that's how this works out. Is just a bunch of trial and error.
all right. Now, if we go ahead and take it off the lift now, you'll see that I have two suspensions there, but it's not lifting it.
Right, but
Oh,
before what you did lifted it, but it didn't allow it to flex at all.
yeah. So I don't know how to attach those.
I don't think you can, not in this situation right here.
I mean, the only way to do that would be to go ahead and disconnect this and let that be the way it is. Oh, okay, okay.
Well, I moved it so you could do what you're doing.
And then we're going to go ahead and weld this. Oh, it's not going to allow me to do it that way. Go ahead and lift the thing. One second. I'm having a problem with the camera controls. That's not going to do it, I don't think.
That is the weirdest thing ever. I guess you can't undo it once you do it, huh?
I have nope. I don't think so. It's art. This instead of being a new car, it's art.
Yeah. I mean, the one thing we could do is we could load into one of our older ones, like the amusement park, and try messing
Yeah.
around in there and see what we can do with that. That is the weirdest looking car ever.
It's funny though.
But yeah, I like the welding tool. I think that's going to be amazing.
What? Okay. I need to figure out how to change the controls real quick. Options. Let's see. Stray sprint. Previous lift up down. Next up bar. Oh my goodness, the camera controls are not listed. I'm not seeing them.
Alright, let's see what happens when I do this, guys. How do I word that? Oh, there we go. So that's going to let me do it.
There we go.
Nice. Holy crap, that's amazing. Oh my god, so much easier. Wish that would have been out longer, sooner, and just would have saved us so much time.
Yep. Alright, I think I know how to fix this.
Do you?
Yeah,
I don't know if you do, man.
watch this. Okay, so we put a block there. That is where the suspension is. We're gonna go ahead and weld this to that. That's now welded, I think.
Would you weld together?
Oh, you can't weld that. You can't weld that.
You can't weld suspension now.
That is. That's very annoying.
Well, I mean, you know, this it just came out that you can weld stuff, so I guess they haven't gotten to the point where you can weld the interactive objects. You know, like you can weld the base pieces and stuff, but not.
All right, go ahead and take it off the lift. Let's see if that suspension works.
Okay, so that works. You can see it
That
when it
works.
landed.
Okay, let's go ahead and take that, put it back on there, and
What you could do is just not put a connecting piece underneath it.
yeah.
You know, put a board underneath it they can bounce upon, but don't connect it to anything. So you'd have to come out a little bit more, and then go down one more. Well, no, you wouldn't want to do that. There you go. Yeah.
Just the lag is what's causing it.
There you go. Let me put a connector piece right there. Did I do that?
That?
Is that what you want right there? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
And then connect the pieces to.
Like that? Oh,
No,
you mean
you would need to go down one more actually underneath it. So raise it up like that, and then over here, go underneath it one. Nope, that's not working. Actually, no, go down one more. Right there. Like that.
okay?
And then when you drop it,
Wait a minute.
it should still move.
Nope, it won't because there's no moving section down here. This isn't a moving bar.
Oh, right here?
Yeah.
Well, we can reattach that. We can fix it, guys. It can be done.
Go ahead and lower it real quick. Go ahead and lower the car. And I have it.
Oh, you have it?
Well, I had it. Oh, can we use Q?
Yeah, Q will turn it.
It's not turning it for me the way I want it.
It's turning it for me, just, I think we're going to have to move it around.
Oh, I know how to fix it, I think. Here we go. Move that. Move it to here.
There you go.
Yep.
Now raise it back up. Put another piece of wood down here. And then when I get rid of it... Nope, we won't do it.
Yep. Here, I think I know what you're doing, but we need to do it a little bit different. Oh, being pushed. We need to put a suspension here. That needs to come down.
I don't think that did it.
Oh, you know why? Because there's a okay.
There's two suspensions in there?
There's two suspensions, yeah. Alright.
Well, to get to the one on the inside, you're going to knock this down again.
No, go ahead and bring the creation down again. And then go ahead and put one there. Make sure those are welded.
There he is.
What? Yeah, we got if you could move that piece a little bit. There we go. And get that over there.
All right, and then
Go
reattach it.
ahead.
What do you want? 2 blocks?
Yeah. Then we'll need to.
Now you want the. Wait. Did you want one in between this one, right? One right there.
Yeah.
And then you want to weld that on there.
Okay, there we go. There we go. I got the welding. Gotta get at the bottom.
At the bottom.
There we go. Okay, now go ahead and bring it down. Bring it. Where's the bearing at?
In between this one and the next one.
There we go.
All right. Go ahead and attach your new one.
Okay. And we need to. Well.
Where you want it underneath.
Huh?
You want it underneath that one. Well, no, you don't want that one connected. You want it connected to the big one.
But you said underneath.
Well, yeah, the whole purpose is to have this piece, this wood right here that's going straight underneath this this one right here, so that it will bounce against it, but not be connected.
Then we're. Okay.
So this one coming off the side somehow needs to get underneath this one over here
Okay.
without being connected to it, but still be connected to the rotating arm right there. You can just have it come down one, and then have it come over and down one right there. Okay, so that should work. Let's see what happens.
We have to weld it.
No, you don't want to weld anything. You want it to be separate.
Okay.
Yeah, see, that seemed to work right there.
Okay.
You can see it bounce, like when I raise it up. If you watch when I get rid of it right here, watch that arm. Did it move or no?
I can't tell. We
Let me
need
try
to
it
put a
again.
wheel on it.
Okay, let's throw a wheel on it real quick. You want a bearing?
At the bottom, on the bottom of this bar here.
Not there?
No. Because we need to be able to turn it as well. Yep. And then a bar coming out.
How many?
2.
And then another bearing?
Oh, that'll work. Yep.
Oh, what is he using over there? What
Oh,
is
it's
that?
a new sound machine.
That's cool. Oh, yeah, that worked right there. Did you see it?
Yep.
That's okay. So independent system right there.
Okay.
And what is? Hey guys, and welcome to the disembodied voice of AC Gamer. We are definitely going to be doing a lot more series in the future, but here are a few of them that you guys might find interesting. Of course, you're more than welcome to check them out. I would love to hear your comments. Again, if you do enjoy these videos, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe. It's definitely the indicator that I use to tell if you guys want to see more videos like that, of that particular game style, of that series in the long run. So when you guys leave comments down, it helps me decide whether we should keep doing it, as well as whether you want to see games like that in the future. And here are a few of them right here. I kind of picked out a few of different genres. We will be doing spotlights for other YouTubers in the future. So if you want to get a little shout out, definitely let me know. If you group with me, chances are you will get a shout out in here eventually. But for now, these are just 4 series that I have that I feel like could use a little bit more attention, and that you guys might actually enjoy as well. Thanks again for watching, guys, and we will definitely catch you all next time.